Hello, second grade. This is Module 5, Lesson 7. We're going to start off with our application problem here. First step is to read. Jenny got a pedometer to count her steps. The first hour she walked 43 steps. The next hour she walked 48 steps. How many steps did she walk in the first 2 hours? The second question is, how many more steps did she walk in the second hour than in the first hour? So the next thing we need to do is we need to circle any important numbers. So I see the number 43 and I see 48. So we're going to circle those. Next, we need to underline any important words. I underlined the word than. That tells us that we need to subtract. The top part here. First thing, how many steps did she walk in the first 2 hours? So we need to take 43 plus 48 because we need to know how many she walked altogether. So go ahead and push pause and then push play when you're done solving. Okay, let's solve this together. 3 plus 8 is 12. So I put the 2 in the 1s and I take the 1 up to the 10s. 4 plus 4 plus 1 more is 9. So she walked 92 steps. The next question is, how many more steps did she walk in the second hour than in the first? We know we're going to subtract, so we're going to take 48 minus 43 this time. Go ahead and solve that on your own. All right, let's do this together now. 8 minus 3 is 5, and we don't have to subtract, we don't have to put anything because 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, let's do some quick mental math here. If we take 90 plus 3 more, we are just going to take the 9 tens plus the 3 tens equals 12 tens or 120. Try this one on your own. 190 plus 40, or you could say 19 tens plus 4 tens equals what? You say 23 tens or 230? Good job. About 290 plus 140. So this would be like 29 tens plus 14 tens. Did you say 430 or 43 tens? Great job. Let's try this one. 8 tens plus 3 tens or 80 plus 30. Do you say 110 or you could have said 11 tens? Okay, we're going to do some subtracting here. We did some addition yesterday using this method. Now we're going to do subtraction. Now the trick with this method for subtraction is we can only do this if the second number is the closest to the next 10. If it's the first number, we can't do it because we're going to come up with a different answer. So we're going to look at the second number and see how close it is to the next 10. We need to add one more for it to be the next 10. So we're going to put in our numbers here, so 52 and 29. And we need to add one more here to make the next 10, which is 30. And if we add one here, then we need to add one up here. So now our numbers are 53 plus 30, or sorry, minus 30, we're subtracting. So if we're just taking 3 tens away from 5, your answer is 23. So 52 minus 29 is 23. Let's try this next one. 95 minus 58. So let's put the 95 here and the 58 here. How many more ones do we need to add to the 58 to come up to the next tens? We need to add 2. So that means how many do we need to add to the 95? If we add 2 here, we need to add 2 here. So now we have 97 plus 60, or sorry, minus. Oh, Miss Shaw keeps saying plus. I got addition in my mind. 97 minus 60. So let's take 6 minus 9 here. And we're taking 6 tens away. We have 37. So 95 minus 58 is 37. Let's try this one. We're going to put the 83 here and the 27 here. I want you to fill in these two blanks real quick and show me. Did you put 3 for both of them? If you did, excellent job. We needed to add 3 more to the 27 to make it to the next tens. Next 10 is 30. So we take 86 minus 30. If we're taking 3 tens from 8, what is our answer? 56. So 83 minus 27 is 56. Here's our next one. I'd like you to try and do this one on your own. We're going to put the 74 there and the 49 here. Go ahead and finish this on your own. Push pause and then push play when you're done. So I put 1 here because we needed 1 more to add to the 59. And if we add 1 more on the bottom, we need to add 1 more to the top. So our new equation is 75 minus 50. If we take 5 tens from the 70, we have 25. So 74 minus 49 equals 25. It is now your turn.